Alright, let's get real. How do laser weapons actually work? You've seen them everywhere in sci-fi. Star Wars, Star Trek, those epic space battles where ships fire streaks of light that blow things up in a flash. Han Solo's blaster, Captain Kirk's phaser, iconic, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Are these laser weapons just movie magic, or is there real science behind them? First off, let's clear something up. Lasers are real, and they're way more than just lightsabers for wannabe Jedi. The word laser stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. In simple terms, it's a super-focused beam of light, all the photons lined up and marching in the same direction, carrying a ton of energy. That's what gives a laser its power to cut, heat, or even burn. So, why bother with lasers instead of old-school bullets or missiles? Here's the cool part. Laser beams travel at the speed of light. That means the moment you pull the trigger, your target gets hit. No need to lead your shot or guess where a fast jet will be. They're also super precise. You can zap a specific spot on a drone, a missile, or even a speeding truck from miles away. And the power is adjustable. You want to burn through steel? Crank up the juice. Want to just dazzle or temporarily blind a sensor? Go low power. It's like having a dimmer switch for your ray gun. Now, the folks at the Air Force Research Laboratory's Directed Energy Directorate, yeah, that's a mouthful, are turning this sci-fi tech into reality. They're working on high-energy lasers and other directed energy weapons that could change the game. Picture this, instead of launching a missile, you zap something with invisible, concentrated energy. No recoil, no need to reload, and nobody can dodge a beam of light. Let's talk real-world systems. The US Air Force has already built 3 laser weapons you might not have heard of. First up, the airborne laser. Imagine a giant laser cannon mounted on a plane to shoot down enemy missiles from hundreds of kilometers away. Then there's the PHASR, which stands for Personnel Halting and Stimulation Response. This one's designed as a non-lethal weapon to dazzle or temporarily disorient people. Think of it as a high-tech flashlight on steroids. And finally, the active denial system. It doesn't burn, cut, or explode. Instead, it fires a beam of microwaves that creates an unbearable heating sensation, making people scatter without lasting harm. So are we getting Star Wars blasters anytime soon? Well, not quite. Real lasers don't go pew-pew or glow in space. Atmosphere, dust, and clouds weaken the beam, and massive power is needed for the strongest shots. But one thing's for sure, the future of laser weapons is way closer than you think. Sci-fi is meeting science fact, one beam at a time.